It's like ballet. He's dancing. Oh yeah. It's 11 o'clock at night, and this is the second night that we're up past 11. Yesterday we had a fun night. I jackknifed a trailer going backwards down the driveway. That was kind of scary.
That was. I had to add a few quarters to the swear jar.
Tonight we are meeting a Sherwin-Williams rep at a warehouse at 11 o'clock at night to pick up stain. So Alaska's pretty neat. It's a color for a stain.
So we go to a Bible study every Wednesday morning, and
you got directions?
Yeah, we go to a Bible study. Go ahead, tell the story.
Crow, he is one of the people at the Bible study. He owns a painting company. He does boats, all sorts of stuff, buildings, texture, stuff, a lot of paint stuff. And we reached out to him and asked him if he has any stain, because our timbers are starting to get warped and they're cracking, and we don't want them to get ruined. So we are shifting gears. We wanted to get some stain on them. And he said that he has 150 gallons worth of stain
from a leftover job. And what do you say, like half price?
Yeah, so it's like $20 for a 5-gallon bucket instead of 40. It's a smoking deal. Only catch is it's red, the color. We're looking for not red. We want a silver weathered wood, kind of for that rustic aged barn look.
Yeah, we're trying to make it look like it's been there for like 100 years already.
Yeah,
right?
And red makes it look like it's just fresh. Like it's. Yeah, you get on your phone.
Anyways.
So Tim's gonna turn around, but anyways, where are we? So we were wanting this color, right? Weathered, kind of aged, 100 years old look to it, and he doesn't have that. But he gave us the number of his rep, and we called him, or Tim texted him and got his info, and we told him, like, hey, we have this product that you guys sold to this gentleman. We're looking to get it colored with a different pigment. Is it possible? And this dude is just like on it. He's like, yo, I'm coming down from Fairbanks.
All the way down from Fairbanks.
Dude, you're gonna get a ticket, bro. Come on, just go normal, turn around, and get out of here. So this guy is doing us a solid. He left Fairbanks to come to Anchorage. We drove up.
He was going.
Dude, you ruined the story. It would have been so much more.
Yeah. Totally on purpose. He's going.
Like just for us. And we left Seward, meeting this guy in Anchorage, Fairbanks to Anchorage, and we're going to their warehouse. And he's like had his crew work up a sample for us, just to pick up these little things. Pigment additives.
What are they called? They're called like they're like vials.
Yeah, it's like COVID vaccines. So we're gonna go meet them. Their warehouse is somewhere near the airport. We're at the airport for some reason. Kim is just.
I missed the turn.
Nala is terrified because she knows what this place is. She's like, I'm not going back to that kennel. Like I'm not doing it. I haven't slept in forever. We're gonna go pick this up, meet the guy.
Oh, one more thing.
What?
So the whole reason why we're doing this is because we might not raise.
Yeah, that's the other thing.
The timbers. Yeah. We tried to.
He lied.
Tim's a liar?
Gosh, that was a pain in the butt. I've never had to lie all freaking day. Oh, there's cars. Jump in.
Okay.
Go.
Well, we kind of need Nick.
Oh, Nick's here too. Awesome. Where is he?
He's getting my bag.
Okay, move over.
Okay.
Well, that was an absolute pain in the buttocks.
That was
there's no rep.
We're not picking up paint samples. We're not spending the night at Elise's.
Well, we're driving back tonight.
No, we're going up to Chena Hotsprings, my friend.
Oh, we are?
Yes.
I didn't bring any clothes.
I got all your clothes.
Underwear.
I got all your stuff together. Surprise! Happy birthday!
Thanks.
You filthy animal.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
So it's like what, 6 degrees out?
yeah, 6
Oh,
degrees
yeah.
we checked. And
We're swimming in 6-degree weather.
Matt already took off his hat because it was so warm.
I saw that guy, he had like frost. Somebody had frosted.
Who got sad? Oh,
That's
man.
pretty neat.
And that's why you wanted to have the frost on your head too?
That's pretty neat.
Oh, that's great. This is like with the stone everywhere, it makes it feel like we're in a really random
This is gonna be a cool episode in a year when we post this.
How's that feel? You can't hear me, right?
The water ate me up.
How you feeling?
I'm loving this. This is so fun.
So, Tim, he fooled me. He got me. I totally fell for it.
Surprise.
And it was good. I was tired, but he tricked me into having people over for my birthday from Oregon. We got Heather and my cousin Nick right there. And Tim decided to take a pause with the Timbers and take me out to Hotsprings and everybody else that's here. Catch some sun, get a nice tan. You know, let's have some fun. Thanks, Tim. I really appreciate you. Hey, Poppy.
Hi, Papa. Hi, puppies. Hi.